माननीय सांसद अरविंद धर्मापुरी जी।
Honorable Madam, Nizamabad Parliament constituency is the home to the legacy of Sri Ambati Shankar Garu, a prominent freedom fighter who drove away the Razakars, the private military of Nizams of the erstwhile Hyderabad state, and upheld its Rashtra Dharma. But today, sadly, Nizamabad has become a hub of anti-India activities supported by the TRS-led Telangana state government. Recently, more than 72 Rohingya immigrants acquired Indian passports, out of which 32 were obtained from single address in Bodhan town of my parliamentary constituency. Upon initial investigation, it was found that all these illegal Rohingya immigrants initially obtained Aadhaar cards in West Bengal. Further investigation pointed towards the fact that the state police department was hand in glove with these illegal Bangladeshi Rohingya immigrants, and that few police officers who went for police verification for the purpose of issuance of passports didn't perform their rightful duty. According to various media reports, it has been discovered that even voter identity cards have been found in possession of these illegal Bangladeshi Rohingya immigrants. In addition to this, it has also been discovered that around 46 Rohingyas were detained in Jammu earlier this month, and at least 3 legislators of MIM political party, whose presence is largely confined to Hyderabad, Telangana, are under scanner after the names of these 3 legislators have surfaced during questioning of these Rohingyas for facilitating their entry into Jammu after infiltrating into India from Myanmar via Bangladesh. It can also be construed that the fact that police department was acting on behest of TRS and AIMIM against peace and harmony. This is serious issue of the Telangana state government compromising with the national security. Madam, यही रोहिंग्या बैंसा में जाकर कम्युनल राइट्स क्रिएट किए थे, यही रोहिंग्या पूरी तेलंगाना में स्प्रेड होकर कम्युनल राइट्स क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, और वहां का सरकार जो काय का सरकार मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है, हिंदुओं का मर्डर हो रहा है, हिंदुओं का घर जल रहा है और हिंदुओं को ही जेल में डालते हैं। ऐसा सरकार केसीआर सरकार चल रहा है तेलंगाना में। Therefore, Honorable Speaker, ma'am, through you, I request the central government to initiate a fair inquiry and punish everyone involved according to the relevant laws in this regard. Thank you, madam.
Hello people, Nenu mi Gayatri Gupta. Please subscribe to Tambola TV. Very interesting.
Subscribe to Tambola TV. Chaka.
Hi, hello, namaste. It's me, Madhvi Lata. Please subscribe to Tambola TV.